Well, this is breakfast. 10 o'clock when we're traveling. I thought you were going to make a vegetarian sandwich, but you put some broth in mine, huh?
Yeah. And they're good.
You didn't put a pickle in mine, did you?
Nope.
Can't eat pickles before noon. It's okay to belch, but you have to do it after 12 p.m.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. We got about 20 miles to go before we turn in off the sea here. Beautiful crossing. Got a 4-foot swell coming with a little wind on top of it, but nothing to talk about. The thing you don't want to see is a sine wave on the horizon.
What?
Is a sine wave on the horizon. You see that, and you've got some major swells coming at you. Right now we've got them coming off our stern. We're actually going with them. The swells are they're about 3.5, maybe 4 feet. And then just the wind is kind of causing commotion. Off here over on the reef, we're about half mile off there. There's one reef that comes out a quarter mile or so, and we're crossing over a shelf. So sometimes this water is confused. But it's a good day. Good day.